Hey garden buds, it's mid-October and I hadn't done a video because my kids were out of school since like the end of September and it was blazing hot. Just this Saturday it was 90 degrees, but it's nice and cloudy today. Let me see. Yay, I'm actually cold. I should have worn a sweater right now. But anyway, October is my favorite because it's when my flower garden is actually blooming because the temperatures have subsided. It's not as hot. Like I said, Saturday was 90, but today I think it's 77. That's the first. We're getting 70s, so that's nice. Anyway, let me turn this camera around and I'm gonna explain what I have in my garden, what's died, what thrives, what doesn't need a lot of water. Anyway, I'll point some flowers out, and I'm in zone 8A in El Paso, Texas. So it's kind of hard to garden here. It's a big feat to actually succeed at gardening because it's hard. So anyway, if you're new at gardening, don't give up. You'll kill a couple. It's okay. Okay, so this is my flower garden. Look at all the colors. It's so pretty. I'm gonna interrupt the video right now just to give you some perspective. This is what my garden looked like March of 2023 and April of that same year. If you look closely, you can see blanket flowers that I no longer have. I have lavender that didn't make it either. I also relocated the irises from the center to the left of the garden. And back to what it looks like now. All right, I'm gonna try to remember what everything is, when it survives, etc. Right here are my vincas, and I planted I think like five or six tiny ones last year, and I bought them from the clearance section. They died in winter, and then they came back all by themselves. They reseeded themselves. The seeds are super tiny. I'll see if I can find a video that I could show you what the seeds look like because I saved a couple. These two right here are vinca. Nope, my bad. These two are carnations. This red one and this peach one. And I actually have two more over here. There's one right there. And under the blue mist, there's another one. Let me see if I can show you guys. She's hovering over it. There she is. I gotta move that one because this blue mist is all over it. Okay, I planted these zinnias about 2 months ago, and they're tall and tiny. They're actually really small. Let me put my hand there for comparison. This one's that size. This one's about 2 fingernails. It's tiny. They're all pretty tiny, but they give me color, so that's all right. These are my pin cushions right here. I have 3 of them. Those 2 I bought at the nursery and I planted, and they've come back. And this one just reseeded itself. I guess it came from these 2. I'm not too sure if they grow through rhizomes? No, probably not. Anyway, this is a watermelon that I just threw down. It's giving me a watermelon over here. Let's see what else. I got marigolds growing, but still haven't got any flowers. That's my canna back there. I'm not too fond of cannas because the leaves always look burnt. I don't like it. These are my dahlias, and it took forever for them to grow, but look at how gorgeous they are. But see how it's leggy? This one, look at all that stem, and then it was too hot, but another one's growing right there. And then same thing with this one, it's leggy, but back there another one is growing. So hopefully they give me a couple more flowers before we get our freeze. These are, it's a purple flower. It's like an iris. I think they're irises. I have dianthus right here. This one's struggling, and this one's definitely struggling. There's still some green right there, but It dried up. I don't know, too hot. Maybe it wasn't getting enough water. Here are my self-seeded marigolds. I planted some nasturtiums and they're coming along. This is Salvia. That one doesn't require a lot of water. So that's good for desert gardens, the Salvia and the blue mist. This blue mist is usually covered in butterflies. It's so nice. I love it, love it, love it. It's my favorite because of the butterflies. I think it finally got too cold this morning. I actually should go put on a sweater. It's cold. This one is Texas Stargazer. It was really pretty and purple, but starting to dry out now. And that one, the bees love that one. These are coming out from last year too. I'm so excited. I love these. It's Gomphrena. And you could see the pink, the purple, pink, magenta starting to come out. And I have like about 10 coming out randomly. There's some over here too. Right there. So yay, I love those. I want to fill this whole spot right here with Gomphrena. This is my gazania as a pretty flower. I'll post it on the side. Oh, this one has flowers, but it's the shade. When they see the sun, that's when they open up. And all these marigolds, they just seeded themselves. All back there. Any marigolds you see, I didn't plant them. They just grow themselves. I mean, I planted them 2 years ago, 3 years ago, but now they just reseed themselves because the seeds are really easy to spread. See all those seeds. My mums were doing really nice, and then it got hot on Saturday. That's orange mom, orange yellow mom. This purple mom is thriving. Red, orange, with my cosmos all around it. And that one's like a light pink purple, like a lilac color. But she's not doing too good either. All the cosmos are on top of her. The cosmos I did plant, I just threw seeds down. That's why they're just all random and sporadic. Here's the zinnias. This one's almost as tall as me. It's probably like 4 feet? 4 feet tall. Let me move back. Those are super tall. I love zinnias. Some cosmos. Let's see, what did I miss? Oh, these are African daisies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, 6, and 7. This one got leggy and ugly. But this one's also leggy, but it still has flowers, see? Look, it's all burnt. But she's blossoming. Aren't they pretty? Love it. Oh, my garden friend gave me some more autumn sedum joy. That one in the middle. I had this one on the side and that one on the side already. But I don't know what I'm doing wrong. See the leaves? I either water them too much, or not enough. I'm so bad with succulents. And that's what's happening there. I don't know. But I don't even have water on them, so I don't know. I don't know what I planted here that's growing, but I hope it's pretty. I have no idea, but there's a couple. Look, there's another one. And let's see what else. Oh, my ranunculus are coming out already. Did you guys see my ranuncula video? I planted ranunculus. They're so pretty. And they're coming out again. I'm so excited. That's cilantro right there. But that is a ranuncula. I'll show a picture of what it looks like. Here's some more marigolds that I threw seeds down. Some different seeds than these. Some gardening friends of mine seed share. And they gave me some. Here's some more zinnias. Aren't the colors so pretty? It's October. It's October and this is when my garden thrives. All right, let's finish it up. I have marigolds that they gifted me also. They're supposed to be different from those other ones, so we'll see when they finally blossom. And my plumbago is so pretty right now. Well, the flowers are finally dying. And that in the corner is my bougainvillea that I just planted maybe 2-3 months ago as well. Then some volunteer marigolds. And this is my apple tree that has yet to give me any apples. That is my flower garden. I don't know if I missed any. I think I missed a lot of flowers. But these are the ones that blossom in October. I'm in El Paso, Texas, zone 8A. And October is my favorite. You would think spring is, but it's not. Because in spring, everything starts coming up nicely, but then summer hits and it's all downhill from there. I can't talk. It's all downhill from there. It gets too hot and everything like shrivels up and burns and dies. So October is actually my favorite. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my garden. I know it doesn't look like other gardens, but like I said, it's hard to garden here. And I'm very proud of myself. Just need to fill in all those empty spots. I'm doing it through trial and error. I've killed a couple. You know what doesn't survive? Cone flowers don't survive for me. Blanket flowers don't survive for me. I tried planting bulbs of what was it? Oh, I forgot, but that didn't work out. Anyway, it's trial and error, so just don't give up. See you guys later.